and this is a website blog where we are uploading in Hindi version. You can check in Hindi. And this is in the Health Library blog where you can check the events, updates on information, talks which are recorded. You can see it is free of cost. And this is our Wikipedia site where we are working on Hindi Wikipedia, and English Wikipedia is already there. You can go through it. It is absolutely free for us. And we do have a visual room where you can sit and see the cassettes of our top parts which are happened, which is absolutely free. And we do also provide photocopying service, that's once per page. And we do also set the CD on different topics, subjects on patient education, teacher doctors, and we do also sell duplicate books for 50% discount. And this is a family guide, it's our publication, Healthwise Handbook, which is available for only 200 rupees, that's flat 50% discount. And we do also have membership, that is 250 yearly membership and 2000 rupees security deposit for taking books home. And any doctor who are interested to talk are most welcome. Thank you for your time. Now I request Dr. Raju Nandu for his talk, Neuro-Linguistic Program for Effective Communication.
My name is Dr. Rajiv Naidu. I am a homeopath by profession, practicing for the last 15 years at Lokhandwala, Andheri. And I am a hypnotherapist, a clinical hypnotherapist and a past life therapist. I am practicing for almost 5 years. I am also a trainer with one of the international organizations for hypnosis, that's California Hypnosis Institute of India. And the main aim of our organization is to spread the awareness of hypnotherapy across the world. We have few centers in various parts of the world. And that is about my profession and a bit about myself. And going straight into our work today. You know why you all here. What's the topic that we are going to cover? Yes, for effective communication, NLP. Okay, how many of you have been through NLP or know about NLP? At least one person. Some idea. You have heard of it, you have read about it, how many of you actually attended a workshop or a course yourself? And with whom?
Actually, it was not a certified this thing.
Okay.
When I was in the organization, Voltas, at that time there was a 2-day program.
Okay.
75% was about NLP.
Okay. Who was the trainer?
It was coupled with the training program.
Training program. Okay.
So 2-3 organizations.
I got it. Great. So, any idea what's NLP? Let's start with that and then we'll build up on that. Any idea about NLP?
So, language using all kinds of community, like visual, audio,
Right.
using the sensory, the senses to augment or enhance your communication.
True.
So that's neuro-linguistic.
Okay. So what is?
Mind.
So let's break it up. Yeah.
Mind to mind.
Mind to?
Mind.
Mind to mind.
It's hypnotic.
Okay. How many of you know about hypnotism or have learned hypnotism or have here?
I attended one talk and visited by you sometime.
Yeah. Otherwise, anyone who has attended the courses in hypnosis?
Self-hypnosis.
Self-hypnosis. Great. The basis of NLP is hypnosis. Let me tell you that. Yeah. NLP is derived from hypnosis because it was studied. Let me start with what is neuro-linguistic programming. Neuro means the nerves. Okay. So how does the nerves get sensitized? Through our senses. So whatever happens around us, we take it in. Okay. Or within us also, we take it in through our senses. It passes through the nerves. It goes to that particular organ wherever it has to go, or particular area wherever it has to go, and then there's a response. Like it goes to the brain. From there is a response saying this is what the movement of the change that you got to do in your body, and then you do it, and that the whole thing is taken care of by the nerves. But it starts with the senses affecting the nerves. That's why the name neuro. What is linguistic? Language. Now, all that goes in through our senses, through our nerves, it goes in and then it is reproduced in the form of a language. Okay? And there's a particular way that is being used, like the computer program. Okay? It's structured in a particular manner. Then it is coded, then it is decoded, and then it is produced outside. And that's why the way name program. Okay? So just putting it very crudely, but then that's how it is. Yeah? The neuro-linguistic program. Now, let's understand the basis of neuro-linguistic programming. And this is something that I really love to share. Okay. Let me ask you one question. Tell me something about just one sentence. How would you describe life? Anyone? Experience. How is life? What is life? Or whatever. One statement. One sentence. Knowledge. Okay. Think about life. Life is so and so. Life is like that. Or people are like this. Whatever you want.
Be happy, make happy.
Be happy, make happy. Okay. Who else?
Journey.
Life is a journey.
Life is your awareness of the creator or the divine self.
Okay. Life is the awareness of a creator or a divine self. Great. Go ahead.
Period between birth and death.
Huh?
Period between birth and death.
Period between birth and death.
Life is adapting to situations.
Adapting to situations. Sensitivity.
Life is living within
Living within
and the environment.
and the environment. Okay.
Life is a struggle.
Life is a struggle. Okay, so you have to come into the real one. Now we're just touching the good ones. We're trying to be too good and nice. Experience of journey. Okay, great.
It's a beautiful dream.
It's a beautiful dream.
Life is a visit of the planet Earth.
Life is a visit on the planet
You're
Earth.
not born, you're not dead.
You're not there.
You're not born, you're not dead.
Okay.
You're only a visitor.
You're only a
So
visitor.
that particular time, you're a very good visitor.
Huh. You're a very good visitor. Who said you're a very good visitor?
I'm saying so.
Good, good. And now,
It's a question by itself.
it's a question by itself. Great.
Life is a journey.
Life is a journey. Okay. Now, who's right, who's wrong?
Nobody.
Everybody is right.
Everybody is right.
Why?
Not everybody is
Talking about their own experience.
Exactly. Each one is talking about their
Own
own experiences. Now let's come to this. There's something that happens around us. There's the environment. Okay, behind the environment, there's something happening around us. There are people, there's family, there are situations that keep happening around us. Okay, that's what is the reality. The reality of the world. Right now, your reality, my reality is yours. Right? And all these things around me. Okay, this laptop and this thing behind, and then the fan running. All this is my reality right now. And for you, you sitting there in that chair, wherever you're sitting, and the people around you, you looking at me and everything around you, that's your reality. Is that clear? Okay. Now all this reality that is there, it goes through thinking processes. So there's a reality of senses. Okay. Now what are the senses? Seeing, hearing, seeing, hearing, and smelling,
touching, taste.
touching, and taste. Okay. So seeing, hearing, and touching are the main ones.